Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me. Actually, you probably can't even hear me right now, but what's it called? Today we're gonna be installing the 45mm extended black lug bolts from Euro Tuning. So that means we're putting on the wheel spacers today. I'm sorry for the lack of videos, but the past 2 days have literally just been the worst. Otherwise, I would have made them. I'm just gonna put it in short terms. If you love someone, don't push them away. Be there for them, because you'll lose them in an instant. But yeah, so let's get this jack over there, jack up the car, get the wheel off, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in like a second for you. Hopefully these extended ones are long enough, because the spacers aren't thick at all. They're literally just 10mm. I mean, that's the same width as the fenders, but so it's not crazy. Okay. But yeah, so let's just get this wheel off. And I know I may seem a little down, but I'm actually fine. Like, I'm just chilling, doing my own thing. I don't really know what else to say to that. There's not much to speak about the topic, because in reality it's no one's business, no one's nothing. And yeah, but make sure you never lose someone that you truly love and care about, because you'll regret it in the long term. So let's just get this wheel out the way, and then now we just slap this thing on, just like that. Then take this back with the hub-eccentric ring. Okay, grab these long extended studs. Oh boy, this is gonna be hard, and it's cold as shit. Get on. Oh boy. Can I stick this? Okay, I'll see you guys when I get this wheel on, and then I'll show you the fitment after. Ow, my foot's stuck. The wheel's on. Semi-tightening the lug bolts, but I would love to do a stud conversion kit on this car one day, but for now I can't, because I want to finish off the front mount. I gotta get that. I gotta get the intake, the tune, and then put the downpipe on, put the springs on. There's a lot of stuff left that I want to do before I focus on the little things. But yeah. I wish I had a ratchet. I mean, I do, but I have no idea where it went. So I'm stuck using this. But anyways, I hope your guys' New Year's and Christmas went well. Hope you guys got what you wanted. But I'll show you the fitment once this wheel is back on the ground. I mean, it's pretty flush now, but yeah, I'll see you when it's on the ground. Okay, so this is the fitment. Pretty good, pretty flush. And yeah, it's really not that bad, but once we lower it, it should sit. Ooh, that's gonna be close. It should sit right above the tire, just like the back. I might put a small spacer in the back, maybe like a 5 mil, because there's a 10 mil in the front, and it does a lot. I didn't expect it to come out that much, but yeah. So now let's do the other side. See you guys in a quick second. So now that we got similar fitment, actually the same amount of fitment on both sides, it looks really good. I don't know, I'm just very happy with this, happy with the car, where it's coming. Still a lot left I have planned. There's one thing that I saw that kind of annoyed me, but again, I'm not really worried about it because this part is gonna be painted to paint match the car. This vent is the only thing that's staying carbon, so I'll have them lay another thing of clear on that, just so that one holds up. And then, yeah. But other than that, this car is exactly where I want it, mainly for now. I'm happy with it for now. There's still a bunch left I want to do with it. Like I've said before, I want to do front mount intercooler, intake, tune, and then after those 3 things, I think and install the downpipe, mid-pipe. It's exterior, so lower the car 2 inches, the spoiler extension, the Golf R front bumper, probably a different hood, maybe the same one with hood pins. I want to get a different grille. Probably Golf R side skirts, carbon fiber mirror caps, sequential mirrors, new tint because the front is too light, and then it's interior. What I want to do for the interior is Starlight headliner, carbon fiber steering wheel, an AFR gauge. What else is there? Oh, carbon fiber door handles. And I believe that's it. Oh, wait. There's also the front lit for the Golf R bumper that I want to put on too. And then once those things are done, I'm pretty sure that's it. Maybe the carbon fiber DSG shift knob from Rex Performance. Possibly a different head unit. I'm not really sure with what I want to do with this car yet. Maybe different seats from Corbrew. But there's a lot I have in mind, so there will be a ton more videos coming out with this car, literally a bunch. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and remember to stay blessed, and yeah, later.